Hello everyone. In this video guys, I'm going to guide you how to check the Windows version on your Windows 10 machine as well as your Windows 11 machine. So let me show you here. So first of all guys, you need to press Windows plus R button together in order to open the run command and type here winver. So this is the shortcut and the professional command guys. So we can simply open it. As you can see here, my Windows version is 22S2 and for Windows 10 it is latest. You can also check for OS build, it is 1900 something, but you can also check for update once. Okay, and the second way is to go to start menu, then click on settings, then update and security, and once you go to security you can see here the OS build information. So simply you can check it here as well. So this is the first and second way. So in the Windows 11 also you can press Windows plus R button and winver. See, Windows 22S2 is my Windows 11, but Windows 23S2 is the latest version in Windows 11. So the second way is to check. Open the file explorer guys. Simply open this PC, right click on the blank area, show more options, properties, and once you open property you can see edition as well as the version of Windows 11. So this is how guys you can check the Windows version on your Windows 10 and 11 as well as in the other system as well. So hope this video helps you guys. If yes, then hit like, subscribe and share. Thank you. Thanks for watching.